Hi, everyone. My name is Mollie Breen, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Perygee. Our MIT connection is my co-founder who went to MIT. I, unfortunately, went to Harvard. And I am here to introduce Perygee, which is a new AI-native digital fabric. And the big problem that we solve is that enterprises are all running on software. But that software doesn't work well for those businesses out of the box. Everything from the Salesforce, like the CRM system, the accounting system, tracking finance, all the way to the ERP, there's always gaps in how these things are connecting. And the business and the processes that they're trying to run. And it's the team that ends up having to be the glue between all of these different systems. And they're manually entering information into these systems, they're exporting information and putting it into Excel or creating PowerPoints, or they're like pivoting between these different systems. It's really expensive. It doesn't work well. Nobody likes it. And you still don't have the answers for how your business is doing. So Perygee is solving this, and we're that glue for all of the data sources within an enterprise and the workflows that they're trying to run. And it's really simple. It's a software that essentially is integrating across all of these siloed systems. We're automating manual work, and then we're amplifying them using AI. And it actually works. Teams say that we are 100 times faster to implement, 100 times easier to use, and 100 times more adaptable as the business changes. So as this AI-native digital fabric, it's a software platform where picture a business process within your company and all of the IT systems that are related, but also like the non-IT systems, the CSVs, the questionnaires, and then using a combination of this tool set, including interfaces, automations, even data storage, and this AI copilot that helps you write them. Teams ranging from IT and sales all the way to leadership are automating these manual work. So just a few examples of this. Teams take a crawl, walk, run approach. So some really simple things would be moving information from system A to system B. So when a shipment is created in the shipping system in the warehouse, and a record is automatically created in the Salesforce, for example. Or if you're, have a team that's just like exporting data into Excel every single week to build a report, like that's something that you can automate with Perygee. In this walking category, picture places where you're trying to unify multiple tools into a single dashboard, or even places where maybe you've overspent on a solution and you're paying too much for it, you can bring that into Perygee. That happens a lot with like ERP systems where people often overspend. And then finally, every business is unique, and there's usually some combination of these existing processes that are true to their competitive advantage. And those teams in this run approach are building those types of software solutions to fill those unique needs on top of Perygee. A really good example of this is Perygee is working with IGPS, which is like a mid-sized logistics company. They're doing reusable pallets between the Chobanis of the world and the Walmarts. And within the logistics industry, it is plagued by a ton of legacy processes, one of which is this paper-based process that confirms whether a shipment is delivered or not. Somebody has to like submit this PDF to say if it was delivered. And this is a huge problem for them because all the time these papers are lost or there's some type of error in it, and all of those errors lead to lost pallets, and lost pallets obviously lead to lost revenue. So using Perygee, they essentially trained an AI model on all of their forms, and then we integrated with their existing logistics system. And we sit in line where this AI model is essentially detecting when a new form is submitted, if it's valid or not. Suspicious forms are flagged, and then a user can come in and review it, and with one click, they can ask a customer to resubmit it. And this has transformed this process where we're saving them 80 hours a month. We've improved their cash flow by 2 days, and we've also improved their customer experience because there's so much less back and forth, nobody's getting mischarged, and they're having this true competitive advantage through AI-powered transformation. And so we invite you to consider what are the manual work or siloed systems that you're looking to fix within your company, and check out the more than 25 enterprises that are using Perygee, with their companies ranging from IGPS, but also PepsiCo and Burger King and more. We typically work with IT leaders at mid to large organizations, predominantly in retail, manufacturing, logistics, and would love to share more after the talk. Thank you.
Thank you, Mollie.